Hello everyone. In today's video, let us learn how to install and test the SMPS in PC.
At the end of this video, you will be able to install and test the SMPS unit in the given PC, power on the PC and check its working condition. Let us collect the tools and equipment required to do this practical. Trainees toolkit, digital multimeter, switched mode power supply SMPS, PC with all peripherals. Let us discuss the importance of SMPS in the computer's CPU. Switched mode power supply SMPS is a critical component in a computer's CPU. SMPS provides a regulated output voltage, ensuring stable power delivery to the computer's components. This stability is vital for preventing voltage fluctuations that could damage sensitive electronic circuits. SMPS is highly efficient compared to traditional linear power supplies. It converts AC power from the mains to low voltage DC power more efficiently, reducing energy waste and heat generation. This efficiency is crucial for maintaining stable power delivery to sensitive computer components. Install the tested SMPS unit in the PC. Remove or slide the side cover of the CPU. With the side panel removed, you are able to see the internal components of your computer like the motherboard, central processing unit, CPU, expansion cards, cooling fan, cables, and connectors. Identify the location of the SMPS in the CPU. The SMPS is typically at the top or bottom of the case at the rear. It is the metal box where the power card plugs into the computer. Take the tested SMPS and fix it like the input power socket of the SMPS comes on the rear side of the CPU. Carefully screw it in place, ensuring it is securely fastened but not over-tightened. Identify the main power connector. The main power connector from the SMPS to the motherboard is usually a large rectangular plug with many pins, 20 or 24 pins. It is typically located near the CPU socket on the motherboard. Align the main power connector from the SMPS with the corresponding socket on the motherboard. The connector should only fit in one orientation due to its shape and the arrangement of pins. Push the connector firmly into place until it is fully seated. SMPS will have additional cables for connecting power to other components such as drives, graphics cards, and case fans. These cables typically have connectors with specific shapes to match the ports on the devices they power. Connect the SATA power cable from the SMPS to any SATA drives, such as hard disk drives, HDDs, or solid-state drives, SSDs. Match the connector from the cooling fan to the corresponding connector on the peripheral power cable from the SMPS. Ensure that the alignment is correct and that pins match up properly. Once all the cables are connected, use cable ties to organize and secure any loose cables inside the case. This helps improve airflow and prevents cables from interfering with other components. After ensuring all cables are properly connected and secured, close the CPU case by reattaching the side panels and tightening the screws. Checking the working condition of PC with power on. Ensure that the power switch on the back of the SMPS is in the off position before plugging in the power card. On the SMPS, you will find a power input socket, typically located on the rear panel of the unit. It's usually a standard 3-pronged socket. Take the power card that came with your computer or any standard computer power card. It should have a plug at one end and a 3-pronged connector at the other end. You may need to apply gentle pressure to ensure a secure connection. Take the other end of the power card and plug it into a standard power outlet. Ensure the power outlet is properly grounded and provides the appropriate voltage for your SMPS, usually a 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply. Switch on the power supply and power on the CPU by pressing power button in front panel. When you power on the computer, listen for the fans inside the case spinning up and any optical or hard drives powering on. These are indicators that the SMPS is supplying power to the components. If your computer is connected to a monitor, observe the display to see if it receives a signal from the graphics card or onboard graphics.
In this video, we have learned how to install and test the SMPS unit on the given PC. Power on the PC and check its working condition. This concludes the exercise. Thank you for watching.